Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Inkthreadable tutorial for beginners. Inkthreadable is one of the best print-on-demand platforms in the UK. With Inkthreadable, if you are planning to target audience in the UK with your print-on-demand products, this is definitely the platform for you. With print-on-demand, all you'll need to do is create a design and then from there add it onto the platform and select the product that you would like to add it on. Whether that be t-shirt, mugs, sweatshirts, or hoodies, you can select any one of these items or all of these items, better yet. Once you have added your design, from there, you don't have to worry about customer service or shipping or anything like that. Inkthreadable will deal with all of that. All you'll do is simply collect the profit once your design is up to par and you start getting some sales. So to get started, you're going to tap on Get Started right here. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can quickly sign up, enter in your email address and so on. After you have entered your email address and complete the sign up process, you will be redirected to a page just like this. Once on this page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Products. After selecting Products, you're going to tap on Products once more. And then you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you can scroll down and you can select the type of product that you would like to sell, or you can simply tap on the search bar and you can type in the product that you would like to sell if you don't see it. But I'm going to be selecting the best sellers, so let me tap on that and look on their best sellers. After selecting that, you can select any one of these options. So let's say, for example, I were to select this t-shirt. After selecting the t-shirt, you'll be redirected to the editor page. And by the way, if you don't have a design as yet, a good platform to go on to create your design is Canva. With Canva, you can get started for completely free. Once on Canva, you could, for example, tap on the search bar here and type in t-shirt logo. After you have done that, from there, you can choose from any one of the Canva templates. As you can see, there are numerous templates that you can select from. Keep in mind, any one of the templates that you see with the crown that says Pro, you would have to pay for that particular template. But there are numerous free templates that you can use. Let's say I would like to use this one. After selecting it, I'll tap on Customize this template. Then from here, you could change the text if you want. So you can tap here, you can change the text. You could also change the icon and you can add other icons if you want. So for example, I could tap on elements in the top left hand corner. Then for example, I could type in bear and I'm just going to be adding a graphic bear right there. So I'll tap on all and I'm just going to be adding a random bear. Let's say for example, this right here. So I'll select this. Then I'm going to minimize the size and I'm just going to be adding it right there. Once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on Share in the top right hand corner, then select Download and tap on Download. Once your design has been downloaded, you're going to go back into Inkthreadable and from there, you're going to simply upload your design. So you can see we're back on the design page. So you're going to go over and you're going to tap on Upload Image. After you have done that, you're going to select your design. So let me do that real quick. Then you're going to tap on Open. After selecting Open, you can see that your design has been added. You can also adjust the size as you can see right here. Once it is to your liking, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on Sizing and from there you can see the different sizing options and you're going to simply tap on Create Product. After selecting Create Product, you're going to tap on Continue. Once you have tapped on Continue, you're just going to give it a few seconds while the product is being created. After you have tapped on Link Account, you're going to be redirected to this page. Once you have connected it to your Shopify store, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Products. After selecting Products, you're going to see the product that you have created. And you're going to tap on the three dashes in line with the name and you're going to tap on Manage. After selecting Manage, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on the three lines once more and you're going to select Export. After selecting export, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to go over to the right hand menu option, and at the moment you can see the export to Shopify button is not active. To get it active, all you'll need to do is tap on add all variants or add selected variants. So you can tap right there and you can select the variants that you would like to add, and then you can tap on add selected variant right there. After you're finished, you're going to tap on export to Shopify. Once it has been exported, if we were to go into our Shopify store, you will see that the product is now added. If we were to go back into Shopify, then tap on products from the top left hand corner, you can see the product has been added right here. So I can now view it on my Shopify store, as you can see right there. So this is it. So all I would need to do now is continue editing it. So we could go back here and then we can continue editing it to our liking. Hope you found this tutorial helpful.